Hello. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to purchase an SMS pack. In the top menu, you will find the options associated with recharge and in particular the buy credits option. Go to checkout, buy credits. Through this section, you will have access to the process of buying a pack in 3 simple steps, as you can see at the top of the screen. The first step is to enter the amount of SMS you want to buy. You can enter any amount of SMS according to your needs, starting from a minimum of €9 or $10. The default country from the account preferences is always shown as the SMS destination country. But remember that you can always buy credits that you can use to send to any destination country and send any type of SMS messages. In case you want to send to a different destination country and you don't know the amount of credits, the recommendation is to simulate the sending from a form and get the total number of credits needed for that sending. For your information, the amount of CO2 corresponding to the trees that LabsMobile will plant for this purchase is also shown. Once we confirm that all data is correct and validate the terms and conditions, we can click Next. Now we are in the second step where we must select the payment method. We can confirm the amount, number of SMS messages, unit price, and credits that have been selected in the previous step. And we will see the available payment methods on the right side. As shown, some of them may involve an extra cost due to commissions, and the available payment methods may vary depending on the country of the billing data and the volume of the pack to be purchased. When you select a payment method, you will always be shown at the bottom some instructions of the payment method that you need to know. For example, if we choose bank transfer, we will see in the instructions the bank details where to make the transfer, and we will also be able to download a document with all these instructions. But we are going to select the most used method as it is the credit or debit card through the Stripe payment gateway. And we will see the card purchase confirmation screen. On the left side, you can always add new cards by entering the name of the cardholder, the card number, the expiration date, and the control number. Remember that the card data is stored exclusively on the Stripe platform, which complies with all security standards and is one of the world's leading online payment platforms. When adding a new card, you will probably have to confirm the transaction from your bank or enter a validation code to comply with the security measures for online purchases. On the right side, you will see all the stored cards with the purchases that have been made from this account. In this way, with just one click, you will be able to use cards already inserted and validated for purchases on the LabsMobile platform. You will be able to delete and enter new stored cards in Checkout, Credit Cards section of your account. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sure the LabsMobile shopping experience is very easy and convenient. You can watch other tutorials to learn more about our platform. Have a nice day.